Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to prevent duplicate entries in Excel. Short, upbeat intro music sting. Okay, so you've got a spreadsheet, you're collecting data, maybe it's customer information, product IDs, or even just a simple list. Nothing's more frustrating than finding out you've accidentally entered the same thing twice, or even multiple times. This can mess up your reports, your calculations, and generally lead to inaccurate insights. In this video, we're going to cover 3 easy methods to prevent those pesky duplicates from creeping into your Excel sheets. We'll look at data validation. This is probably the cleanest and most effective method. We'll set it up to actively prevent users from entering duplicates. Conditional formatting. While it won't stop duplicates, it will highlight them as you type, giving you a visual warning. Excel tables. We'll learn how using Excel tables can simplify the process and add a layer of robustness to duplicate prevention. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you're new to the channel and want more Excel tips and tricks to make your life easier, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Alright, let's jump into the first method, data validation. Screen recording showing Excel. Okay, let's say we have a column called Customer ID. We want to make sure no one accidentally enters the same customer ID twice. First, select the range of cells you want to protect. Don't include the header. This is just the data entry area. Go to the Data tab in the ribbon, and then click on Data Validation. Highlight the relevant parts on the screen. A data validation window will pop up. In the Allow drop-down, select Custom. This lets us write our own formula. Now, in the formula box, we're going to enter a formula that counts how many times the value being entered appears in the range. If it appears more than once, we know it's a duplicate. The formula is equals COUNTIF, $A$2, $A$100, A2 equals 1. Explain the formula clearly. Let's break this down. *COUNTIF is the function that counts occurrences. $A$2, $A$100 is the range we're checking for duplicates. The $ symbol, make this an absolute reference, so it always checks the entire range, even if you copy the validation to other cells. Change this range to match your actual data range. *A2 is the cell where the user is currently entering data. *=1 means we only want to allow values that appear exactly once. Next, let's customize the error message. Go to the Error Alert tab. Check the Show Error Alert after invalid data is entered box. In the Style drop-down, you can choose Stop, Warning, or Information. Stop is the most effective because it prevents the user from entering the duplicate value at all. In the title box, you can write something like Duplicate Entry. In the error message box, write something like This customer ID already exists. Please enter a unique ID. Type in the error message on screen. Click OK. Now, try entering a duplicate customer ID in the column. You should see the error message pop up, preventing you from entering the duplicate. That's it for data validation. Transition to the next method. Next up, conditional formatting. This won't prevent duplicates, but it will highlight them, giving you a visual cue. Again, select the range of cells you want to check. Go to the Home tab, and then click on Conditional Formatting. Choose Highlight Cells Rules, and then Duplicate Values. Highlight the relevant parts on the screen. A window will pop up. By default, it's set to highlight duplicate values in light red fill with dark red text. You can choose a different format if you prefer. Click OK. Now, any duplicate values in the selected range will be highlighted. If you accidentally enter a duplicate, you'll see it immediately. Demonstrate entering a duplicate value and seeing it highlighted. Conditional formatting is great for catching duplicates after they've been entered, or as a quick check. Transition to the final method. Finally, let's talk about Excel tables. Using an Excel table can simplify the process of duplicate prevention, especially when combined with data validation. Select the data you want to turn into a table, including the header row. Go to the Insert tab and click Table. Make sure the My Table Has Headers box is checked. Click OK. Demonstrate creating a table. Now the benefit here is that when you add new rows to the table, the data validation rules automatically extend to those new rows. This saves you from having to manually adjust the data validation range every time you add more data. To apply data validation to the table, follow the same steps we outlined earlier, selecting the column within the table and using the COUNTIF formula. The formula might look slightly different because it references the table column directly. For example, if your table is named Table 1 and the column is Customer ID, the formula might be equals COUNTIF, Table 1 Customer ID, at Customer ID equals 1. Explain the table formula, showing how it references the table and column. The beauty of this is that as you add new rows to the table, the data validation automatically applies, preventing duplicates in the newly added entries. It's a very convenient and efficient method. Conclusion. So there you have it. 3 ways to prevent duplicate entries in Excel. Choose the method that best suits your needs and workflow. Data validation is the most proactive. Conditional formatting provides a visual warning, and Excel tables streamline the process, especially when adding new data. Hopefully, this video has been helpful. Let me know in the comments below which method you prefer and if you have any other Excel tips to share. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe to Rome Tips for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Outro music.